We've covered a lot in this series, so let's turn it into something you can actually grab in 10 seconds flat. Here's your full toolkit. Name it out loud. Do the physiological sigh, 2 quick inhales, 1 long exhale 3 times. Slow your breathing down, 4 counts in, 7 or 8 counts out for about 60 seconds. Tap through your EFT points, or press the ear, wrist, or knee acupressure points instead. And if you can, cool down with cold water on your wrists or face. That's it. That's the whole kit. 6 tools, 90 seconds, 0 equipment required. Now here's the part I actually want to say to you directly. I built this series because I know what it's like to feel like your whole world resets every couple of years, and to feel like your own brain is working against you on top of it. You are not too sensitive, and you are not too much. Your nervous system is just doing its job a little too well. I made a printable version of this whole kit so you can keep it on your fridge, in your car, wherever you need it most. Comment the word kit and I'll send it your way. If this series helped you even a little, that is genuinely the whole reason I made it. Thank you for being here, and I will see you in the next one.